Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to set a reminder in EasyNote. Just open the app and find the tasks you would like to be reminded about. Click on one of your notes and then click on the three dots in the top right corner. And here is reminder. Tap it and choose a date for yourself when you would like to be reminded. Set the time and set whether you'd like it to repeat or not, and you can even choose a ringtone. Click on save, and that's basically it. Thanks for your attention.